Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking with you guys about how to take a vertex form equation and turn it into general form. So let's go ahead and get started and work through these notes together. So when you're working with a vertex form equation, the first thing you want to do is make sure that it actually is in vertex form. Vertex form, again, this should be a reminder, looks like y equals ax minus h squared plus k. The second step that you will want to do is you are going to box or FOIL the portion that is squared. This will give you the multiplied answer from when you take x minus h times x minus h. You can choose either option and they will both get you to the same correct answer. The only tricky thing that comes up is if you have an a value and a k value. If you have an a value that is not 1, so we have a number that's out in front, we are going to multiply the answer that we got after we boxed or FOILed. Again, following the order of operations, you should always multiply before we should add or subtract our k value. So once you've multiplied your answer by your a value, you can then move on to the add or subtract your k value. You will just take the answer that you got after you multiplied by your a value and just subtract your k value from the c value of your equation. So let's work through this problem together so you can fully see and understand what I'm saying. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure it's in vertex form. I see an a, x minus h squared plus or minus k. We're good to go. So the second thing we're going to do is box or FOIL our x plus 3 squared. So I will do both so we can see that we do in fact get the same exact answer either way you do it. It's just up to you which one you like and understand. So we get x squared, 3x, and 9. If I FOIL, so x plus 3. Ooh, I'm sorry about that. Let's fix that up. All right, x, oh, does not like this. Okay, x plus 3 times x plus 3. Our first gives us x squared. Inside gives us a 3x. Outside gives me another 3x. And last gives me a 9. So I see the same 4 values that I did on either side. The next step is to just combine your like terms. So I have two 3x's. So my final answer from boxing or FOILing or multiplying that x plus 3 squared is x squared plus 6x plus 9. I then go out and check to see if I have an a value, so the number that would be out in front, and I have a 2. That means I need to multiply this answer that I just got. I need to multiply every single value by 2. So 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 6x is 12x. And 2 times 9 is 18. So we've now accounted for our a value, and the final thing we need to account for is our minus 4, our k value in that vertex form. So we are just going to subtract 4 from the c value of our answer. So we now have 2x squared plus 12x plus 14. And that is how you take a vertex form equation and put it in its general form.